Do you know that YouTube population is half of all internet users out there? Okay, that is staggering amount of 1.9 billion users who are watching YouTube videos every single day. Do you know that every single minute, more than 500 hours of YouTube videos are being uploaded on the site? That means more than 30,000 hours worth of videos are being uploaded on YouTube every single hour. That's an immense number of information and contents that are uploaded every single hour. Now, with that staggering number of contents that are uploaded every single day, you can be sure that there is a way how you can monetize it if you know the right way to do so. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 7 streams of income, how you can make money on YouTube. And without further ado, let's get right into it. The first way, which is also the most common way, is by being a YouTube partner. Okay, that means through AdSense. To qualify for this, you need to actually achieve a certain criteria. You need to at least minimum have 1,000 subscribers, and you need to achieve 4,000 hours of watch time for the past 1 year. Right? If you qualify for this, then you can become a YouTube partner and you can start to monetize your channel. And once you are able to monetize your channel, I suggest that you enable ads on all of your videos. Now, it is not just for you to monetize the videos, because in the beginning, when you are only getting like 1,000 or 10,000 or even up to like 30, 40, 50,000 number of subscribers, you're not gonna get much revenue out of the ads, all right? And by the way, you get paid every time somebody click on the ads, right? You don't get paid when people show the ads, but you get paid when they actually click on it. So the reason why you want to enable the ads on all your videos, even though your subscribers base might not be that high, even though your ads revenue is not that high yet, is because when you enable ads on those videos, common sense is YouTube is going to show that video to even more people. And that is going to boost the number of views you're going to get for that video, which will in turn means you're going to get more number of subscribers in the future. So it's a win-win for you and also for YouTube. Because you must remember that YouTube's primary objective is to get as many number of views and get as many hours of watch time to keep people on the platform for as long as possible. So there are many ways how you can earn money through the ads on your video. You can do it through the text ads. You can do it through the banner that is normally below the video. Or you can get like, you can do it through a video ads. Those are a few ways how you can earn money through AdSense. The second way how you can earn money through YouTube videos, through brand sponsorships. That means when your channel has grown to a certain size, there will be certain brands out there who will be interested to get the exposure that you have, that you are able to provide for them. You do not want to chase after all these brands to just accept any other proposal that comes your way. Now let me explain why. You must understand that when you're building your YouTube channel, you are also building a brand, right? If you just accept any of the proposal that is given by all these brands out there, sometimes it might not be the best representative for your brand. That brand might not be aligned with your mission in starting this channel in the first place. So I would be very selective when it comes to brand sponsorship. Only accept those proposals that are actually aligned with your brand identity, with the direction where you want to be going. And know that when you grow your subscribers base to a certain size, all these companies will start to be looking out for you. Way number 3 is actually through crowdfunding or fundraising. Now there are 2 ways how you can do this. You can do it through the YouTube channel itself. In order to qualify for this, you need to hit at least 10,000 minimum watch hours. When you qualify to be able to do this, YouTube is going to take 30% cut of all the funds that you have raised through this fundraising method. Not the best way, but it's still a good way for you to raise funds for a cause or to get people to donate to your charity of choice or whatever cause that you are promoting. Another way how you can do this is through Patreon, which is a third-party membership platform, which will give you a recurring income through your donors. What you can do is you can use your YouTube video and you can host it using Patreon platform. The fourth way is by selling merchandise. Two ways how you can do that. You can do that through the YouTube merchandise shelf. And again, there is a qualification for this. You need to hit at least 10,000 minimum number of subscribers. Or you can simply advertise your own merchandise. This is also another good way how you can monetize your YouTube channel. Number 5 is through affiliate marketing. So basically what it means is you are being paid to promote a certain person's product. You can promote products that range from low-end prices all the way to high-end products. Low-end and mid-end products from sites such as Amazon. Okay, there are different types of products out there that you can promote on your YouTube videos. And you can provide the affiliate links in the description box that people can click to bring them to the third-party site where they can make the purchase through your affiliate link. And whenever they do that, you're gonna get a cut of a commission. Normally, the percentage is around 8 to 10%. Okay, of the total amount. The second way how you can do that is by selling high-end products such as online course. And it's very typical for a higher-end products that cost like between 500 to thousands of dollars. You can be getting minimum 50% all the way up to even, I know, 70% for lower-end product and 50% for the more expensive products. Number 6 is offering your services. Now, maybe you have some services that you can offer through your YouTube videos. And they could be anything, right? Ranging from doing channel reviews, or maybe you can provide services such as coaching or consulting, or give services that are related to the primary business that you are in. Okay, you can promote your business through your YouTube channel. Okay, number 7, which is my favorite and I think the most lucrative way how you can monetize your YouTube channel, is by selling information products. Right, and there are many different types of information products that you can sell. The easiest, of course, is your ebooks or your books. You can sell your maybe your podcast subscription, or subscription to your membership area. Maybe you have created a lot of videos. You can charge people a minimal fee for the continuity program. Okay, kind of like Netflix. So people only pay like maybe 30 or 40 bucks every month to get access to your whole membership library of courses. You can be selling like a premium flagship course, maybe at the $1,000 level or $2,000 level. You can sell them directly on your website, or you can redirect them to a webinar to a link in your description box. And then people watch the webinar, and if they're interested in buying your online course, they can do so through that separate link that is provided in your description box. Okay, you can also promote your live events or your workshops through your videos. Those are all great ways how you can be selling your information products through your YouTube channel. There you have it, the 7 top streams of income, how you can make money on YouTube. I hope that you will diversify as many as possible all these sources of income. And if you do it right, you will be able to retire young and I believe retire rich as well. All right, so I believe that you have received a valuable input from this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. And if you like videos like this, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you have not done so, please subscribe to the channel. It does help the algorithm to put the similar video to as many people as possible out there. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time a similar video is released. I hope you've enjoyed our time together. I'll see you again in the next video.